Hi there, everyone. Happy New Year 2025. Yeah, everyone. It's really cold here, so I have to go. So it's a little bit foggy. There's so many. Yeah, I cannot see but I can still see the trees and the ice, but it's really cold. And you can see also the fireworks, but not that clear because of the fogs and the clouds. So that's it. Happy New Year, everyone. It's really cold. I have to go back inside. Like this vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. God bless you all. Happy New Year again. Bye bye.